Do you want to make wontons in under 5 seconds each? And this isn't just fast, it's the tastiest chicken wonton soup you ever tried. In a bowl, add ginger and scallions. Pour in warm water and mix until the flavors are released. Remove the ginger and scallions. Have you tried infused water? It makes the filling extra juicy and aromatic, perfect for both dumplings and wontons. In a large mixing bowl, add ground chicken and salt. Mix until the chicken absorbs the salt. Add white pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice wine, and cornstarch. Add half of the infused water and mix well. Add the rest of the infused water and mix again. Add the scallions and combine together. This is a game-changing trick. Place the pastry bag in a glass and fill it with the filling. Tie the opening and cut open the tip. By using a pastry bag, you can wrap wontons faster than ever. Watch this. Brush some water around the edges of a wonton wrapper. Place the wrapper on one hand and use the other hand to squeeze the filling into the center. Pinch and seal the wonton. It takes less than 5 seconds to make each wonton. That's more than 24 wontons in 2 minutes. Wow! If that is too fast, here is another way. Add some water around the edges of a wonton wrapper and squeeze the filling from the pastry bag into the center. Using both hands, bring one opposite corner together. Pinch and seal. Repeat with the rest. So which method do you like better? The first or the second one? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. In a pot over high heat, bring unsalted chicken stock to a boil. Season it with salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. We're gonna set this aside for later. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the Shanghai choy in it and blanch for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the pot over medium heat, bring water back to a boil. Add the wontons inside. Stir gently. And boil for about 2 minutes. Here's another secret trick. Pour about 1 cup of room temperature water into the pot to prevent the wontons from breaking apart before they are fully cooked through. Cook the wontons for another 2 minutes until translucent and completely cooked through. Scoop the wontons into a bowl. Add the soup and Shanghai choy. As a busy mom, I love recipes that are quick, comforting, nutritious, and enjoyed by the whole family. This wonton soup is one of those dishes I can make it fast, yet it still feels warm, special, and wholesome. If you'd like to learn more ways to wrap wonton, check out the video right here. And if you would like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description. Subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes and less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!